Hi, this is Daniel DiTurp. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate making a simple Chinese-style recipe you can make using beef, pork, any type of poultry, or seafood. To make 4 servings, you'll need about 8 ounces of lean beef or pork, chicken, shrimp, or other poultry or seafood. I'm using beef tenderloin for this demonstration. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, about 10 ounces each of yellow or white onion, and any color bell pepper, cleaned and cut into large bite-sized pieces. 1/3 to 1/2 cup of water, or you can substitute broth. 4 teaspoons of curry powder, adjust the amount to your taste. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or other thickener. About 1½ tablespoons of rice wine. If you don't have or like rice wine, you can substitute water. About 1½ tablespoons of reduced sodium soy sauce. Adjust the amount of soy sauce to your taste. 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. If you prefer a mild curry, omit this ingredient. And a large wok or deep-sided skillet for stir frying. If you're using a stainless steel wok, especially a new wok, add the oil to the wok and then use a paper towel to coat the interior surface to reduce sticking. In a small bowl or measuring cup, add the chili sauce, rice wine, soy sauce, curry powder, and cornstarch. Stir until the cornstarch has completely dissolved and then set aside. The cornstarch will begin to settle, and you'll have to stir the mixture just before adding it to the wok. Heat the oil about 1 minute on medium-high to high heat, and then add the onions and peppers. Stir fry 3 to 5 minutes, or until the onions and bell peppers have begun to soften. Adjust the cooking time depending on whether you want your vegetables firm, crisp tender, or soft. When using a stainless steel wok, brown particles will form in the bottom and possibly the sides of your wok. This is caramelized sugars from the onions and peppers. This residue will be deglazed when you add the liquid to the wok. When your vegetables are the desired texture, add your meat, poultry, or seafood and stir to combine. Stir fry 2 to 3 minutes or until the beef or poultry begins to brown. For tender beef and pork, do not overcook at this point. The cooking will be completed in the next step. Add the liquid to the pan, stir, and bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally, or until your meat, poultry, or seafood has completely cooked through. If you're using a stainless steel wok or skillet, you'll notice that the brown particles in the bottom of the pan have dissolved and are now incorporated into your curry, providing added flavor you won't get using non-stick cookware. An 8-ounce serving of curried beef has about 175 calories, 1 gram of saturated fat, about 400 milligrams of sodium, 3 grams of fiber, and 14 grams of protein. The complete meal as shown has about 435 calories, 1 gram of saturated fat, 450 milligrams of sodium, 8 grams of fiber, and 24 grams of protein. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.